Hello students, today we are going to study about urine, its composition, abnormalities. As you know, urine, it is one of the method by which we use to excrete the waste products. So if you see the characteristics of urine, its color is yellowish due to presence of urochrome, urobilin and hemoglobin. Its color aromatic when fresh, but later turn ammoniacal due to degradation of urea by bacteria. Here you can see the sample of urine is there. Its volume less in summer or in warm climate due to than in winter or cold climate. Normally 1.5 liter or more is produced per day. If you see its specific gravity, 1 to 1.40, that is more than plasma. Its pH is 6.0. It means it shows acidic nature. If you study its composition, 95 to 96% constitution is water, urea 2%, that is 30 mg, dissolved substances 2%. In dissolved substances, nitrogenous substances are there, that is uric acid, ammonia, cation. Organic substances like oxalic acid, lactic acid. Inorganic substances like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, SO4, PO4, all these. In human and mammals, urea is the main product of protein breakdown and accounts to 90% of the total urinary nitrogen. Urea is formed in liver from NH3 and CO2. Persons suffering from certain metabolic or renal disorders may excrete glucose, albumin, acetone, bile salt in their urine. Abnormal constituents of urine are sugar or glucose. In diabetic mellitus, ketone bodies like acetoacetic acid, beta hydroxy butyric acid in diabetes or starvation, blood during injury of renal extract or disease, protein in the form of albumin during disease, and bile. This is during jaundice. So these are the abnormal conditions. Students, we will study step by step the test for urea, sugar, albumin and bile salt.